You have a buggy? It's not moving, Sissy? Oh no. It's turning around. What is going on with him? Mike, no Mike. Okay, let it run, let it run. Michael, let it run. Oh my goodness, are you alright? That's what I said, Mike. Stop running, please. Mike, I said stop running. See, the battery is getting low. Put it the right way, please. Come on, Mike, put it the right way. The right way, Mike, I said. You okay? Stop running, please. Why is that very slow now? I told you stop running, Mike.
Let's just see gonna fix it.
That's a nice buggy, huh? It's a GT? It's a buggy? Okay, Sissy, put it down. Mike. What you got, buddy?
And he's gonna fly off this giant thing with his giant car skateboard.
Careful, Sissy.
This guy got the giant.
You need to lock that in.
This guy got a giant car skateboard and he has to get inside. He's gonna drive this giant car skateboard.
It's out of battery.
This giant